Is China a world leader in drone-led shows? The answer is a resounding yes. Just consider the recent Guinness World Record set in Liuyang, where 15,947 drones lit up the sky simultaneously. This wasn't just a spectacle, it was a statement of technological supremacy. China's leadership is built on three pillars. First, scale and precision. Chinese companies like DMD and EHang consistently break world records. Coordinating thousands of drones requires flawless communication, ultra-precise RTK positioning, and powerful algorithms, a technical challenge China has mastered. Second, artistry. These shows are more than just pretty pictures. They tell stories, bringing to life 3D dragons, rotating planets, and blooming flowers that fuse Asian culture with modern innovation. And third, a complete ecosystem. China has an unbeatable supply chain, making these large-scale shows not only possible, but commercially viable on a global stage. While others like Intel have great technology, but China leads in scale, innovation speed, and real-world application. So from Liuyang to global events, China's drone shows have become a brilliant symbol of its high-tech ambition.